This is interesting. Some nice stuff on the bottom of the package tray there.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
No. Surprised they caught fire. I mean, why would that catch fire?
Alright. Sir, I thought I had the job to do.
Dude.
Am I doing it?
Yeah. What's your rent this?
Everything's looking good from over here. I can't possibly see
Hold
what.
on a sec. Better?
Yeah, that's even better. Oh man, now there's pinholes. I mean, big gaps. That's a nice technique.
Maybe I'll get it just hold the camera.
So someone's got to do the important job. I got my screwdriver ready in case you need anything.
Once you get from the Friday, close it.
Oh, it's too late.
What?
Oh, you know, sir, when you put in a hard days of work, you get your clothes all dirty.
Hard days, huh?
Or when you just lay on the garage floor for 2 minutes. Alright, well, that's spectacular. Why don't we just open up the gas bottle in the driveway again so I can go get it refilled? That's a nice patch panel. That tool's already paid for itself. The one they had on display was even worse than that one. I almost didn't buy it. It was so bad. I felt really stupid buying it. I was like, this is sweet.
Well, you might have to go back underneath.
Already? Yeah, I just got comfortable. Oh, sir. It'd been sweet if that would have whipped and hit you in the face.
I don't think the viewers are.
I think they would. They'd be like, serves you right.
We're not letting the cameraman do his job.
Alright. Alright, sir. What can I do for you? Oh, this lens is dirty. Let me just clean that off. I've seen somebody do this before. Yep. Beautiful. I turned some light on for you, but we ain't got no light on this camera.
Yeah, you do. I thought you found it.
No, that was on the old one. Got a light right there. No light in here. Alright, well, as you can see, what he's done here is some things. It's real nice. What's going on? That's nice. So that's the perfect size gap you want when you go to weld up your patches. Anything tighter, you don't get
Enough welding.
yeah, enough welding there to hold them together. Whoa, yeah. So we worked on this for about an hour or so. Got that patch made, and that's as far as we got. And then before we left to go get something to eat, Jim got some metal in his eye. So he's still waiting to get into the eye doctor to get that taken care of. So I'm going to come out here and finally put some primer on this spot on this bumper cover so I can get it painted. Finally. You know, spring's coming up and it's time to clean that thing up and make it look good again. So I get this painted and this little lip spoiler and get it on the car. So I got that cleaned off and I got this sweet blue primer here. So we'll get some of that on there. This is left over from wrong side. This is some pretty good primer. It's really expensive, but it comes in, you know, white, gray, black, blue, yellow, red, and green, I think. So, and then you can intermix all those and make whatever color you want, but so guess I'll mix some of this up. And we got some bare plastic, so I'll put a little bulldog on here. That was exciting. Glad I showed that. Oh, easy. And we got our primer mixed up here. Yeah, let's see here. Pick one of these sweet piles out. I'm sure this little one here is clean. Knowing me, it's probably spraying excellent. I can just put this thing on here. Oh yeah, practically brand new. If I could get the lid off it. Yeah, we're experiencing some technical difficulties here. Alrighty. Just as I suspected, this gun is working excellent. Yep. Pretty exciting stuff. Alright, got about 3 coats of primer on the spots I needed it. And now I can wet sand that. Go over the whole bumper, wet sand it with like some 600, some 800, something, you know, whatever I got. And paint it someday. I've showed this primer before, years ago. Pardon the camera work. But I'm going to take the excess. I made up extra just because I wanted to do this. I'm going to pour it in here. And when that gets hard, I'll show you something pretty sweet. They say this primer is, we don't use this stuff at work anymore, but we used to. It has Euroflex technology. Fancy. And it stays flexible. I guess the theory is that obviously it wouldn't crack, and then maybe like your hoods and bumpers and stuff wouldn't rock chip as easily. That, and you don't need flex agent in your primer, stuff like that. But once this dries, I'll be able to take it out of here and use it like a rubber bouncy ball on the floor. It's pretty sweet.